Well, welcome to the best hosting provider, Cloudways. In this video, I will show you how you get hosting. You need hosting to store your website somewhere. Otherwise, you can't be online. So none of the web hosting providers provide you a 3 days trial. But Cloudways, they do. So right over here, you got the pricing plans. How faster, how better. So you can use discount code Jared soon to have a large discount on all those plans. And you can try for free. You have a 3-day trial, so don't worry. Click on the start free trial, start for free. I will wait, enter your name, your details, and enter the coupon code. And right over here, we are at the dashboard. So now we're gonna start with creating your own website. Cloudways, the special function from Autonomous. It's suitable for any online business seeking to utilize the power of WordPress or WooCommerce for the online presence. Whether a solo entrepreneur or a large professional team, Autonomous makes great hosting accessible for all with a hands-off managed experience that requires minimal intervention. With one click in the launch, you can take your business live without worrying about your site, performance, uptime, or security. Autonomous takes care of that all. So that's really important. Because it saves a lot of money. So right over here, we will create our application, and I select WordPress. Select your server. Here I select my server in Cloudways, and we can install WordPress just within a few clicks. Now right over here, we have our dashboard. And it can take up to a few minutes. I skipped the video, I skipped the process. So we are going to create the application again right now at the moment. I will call this new application. And we're going to install WordPress or WooCommerce in WordPress. Right over here, click on Add Application. You can try this for free because you have a 3-day trial with Cloudways. So it's really amazing. And right over here, you got a lot of, your server. So what you must do right now is what I want you to do is navigate to create staging environment, and we will wait until it's created, and I will skip the video process because it takes a few minutes normally. And right over here we have the domain name. So I will enter here my domain name. If you want to attach your domain name, you only need to change the name servers. So right over here you have the database, and you have right over here you have your WordPress protection. So your password protection, because Cloudways is really secure and it's the fastest hosting that I know. So it's a really good hosting provider. And right over here, you have the password protection for your WordPress site. I disabled it. And right over here, you can go, click on this one. So for example, we have this, and we do vp-admin, and we're gonna log in. So right over here, go to your details, click on overview. Click on View Credentials, select your email, select your password, and enter it right over here. Okay, we have successfully logged into the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations. We're gonna get started. So we are going to install a theme. Okay, right over here, I'm going to search for Astra theme, the most popular theme in the world. Links in the description if you want to get the pro features. So right over here, we are going to install the Astra theme in WordPress. So what we're going to do in this WordPress course is installing our theme, and I will show you how you set up your whole website. Step 1, click on Install the template. A template is a design. So if you want to change your content, the template stays the same. The design changes, but the content stays the same, sorry. So right over here, we can install our starter kit in minutes. So it's really easy. If you want to set up a website really quick, you can sign up for Cloudways and do this whole stuff for free. Further, what we need to do right now is activate it. So we will wait a while until it's activated. Okay, you can choose between the IE builder or Elementor, or the normal builder, sorry. Right over here, you get all your themes. So it depends on what for kind of website you want to create. You can all edit them with Elementor. That's just amazing because you edit with Elementor. You can try the pro version. Link is in the description. So this is the site that we just created. We are all live and set. Skip and continue. Choose your colors and full screen. So this is looking beautiful in my opinion. Yeah, I'm very happy with this result, but we must change a few things. So I will show you how you upload your own images, etc. So we need to import this website. So you never have to hire a web company to create your website, because we can do it on this method. This is much faster, much cheaper, and much better. So right over here we have our site, and right over here we are going to change the image to something else. Media library, free images. Just enter it. And right over here you get all the images that are free. So that is amazing. And right over here we are searching for the right image. We selected our image. Now let's take a look how it looks. Import this beautiful landscape picture and change this content. And we will wait until it's loaded. And try again. Oh, save and insert above. Connecting. Loading. Okay, this is really professional for your first website. You can impress anyone with this. So right over here, dream big. And yes, so this was the kind of tutorial, and you can edit it just easily with drag and drop. What I show you in the beginning of the video. Designed for everyone. Right over here, click update, and we will show it, and it's a beautiful website. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I hope you will watch more videos of mine. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks.